This video, I'm going to show you how you can leave or exit a channel in Slack. So you have to note that if you're leaving a channel and you are the admin or the workspace owner, then all the members of the channels will no longer be able to access the channel because the channel will be deleted. So to leave any channel in Slack is quite simple. First, head over to channels here and you'll see a list of all the channels that you are in. Go ahead from the list and identify the channel that you want to exit or to leave. And for my case, I want to exit this channel. From here, right click on it and you'll see we have leave channel. So if you click on it, now I'll have left the channel and that is it. So that's how you can leave a channel in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.